Hi, today let's make spicy Guntur chicken fry. First, let's marinate the chicken with some turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder, salt, and ginger garlic paste. Marinate and coat the chicken really very well and keep it aside for half an hour. If you can marinate it for slightly longer, that would be great. Now, let's make a quick spice mix. In a pan, I'm adding in some cumin seeds, some coriander seeds, then I'm adding in some cloves along with some peppercorn, cinnamon stick, and Guntur chili, which is the main ingredient, and fry it or roast it on a low flame and then blend it into a smooth paste and keep it aside. Now in the pan I've added in oil. Now I'm adding in sliced onions and fry it. Once the onion turns slightly brown, I'm adding in Guntur chili. Now I'm adding in the marinated chicken and then give it a good mix, and next I'm adding in some curry leaves. This gives great flavor to the chicken. Now I'm adding in the powder which we had prepared. Now I've added in 1 teaspoon of it, and remaining I'll keep it for later. Now I'm adding in water. Give it a good mix and cover it with the lid for at least 5 minutes. The chicken needs to get infused with all the lovely flavors. Now I'm adding it for salt to taste and the remaining powder which we previously made, along with some sugar to balance the taste. Give it a good mix. Your chicken is ready. Finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves, and your tasty spicy Andhra style Guntur chicken fry is ready to serve. You can have it with the sides of your choice like rice, naan, roti. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.